Welcome to our channel. If you're someone who's been searching for a simple yet powerful way to make money online, you're in the perfect place. In this video, we're going to walk you through 6 clear and actionable steps to start your very own Amazon affiliate side hustle. Whether you're a total beginner or someone who's dabbled in affiliate marketing before, this guide will help you build a strong foundation and set up a system that actually brings in passive income. The Amazon Affiliate Program, also known as Amazon Associates, is one of the most trusted and beginner-friendly platforms out there. With millions of products to choose from, it gives you the opportunity to earn commissions by simply recommending products people are already buying. But the real magic happens when you know how to do it the right way. And that's exactly what you'll learn today. Before we dive in, do us a quick favor and like this video. Leave a comment to let us know where you're watching from, and share it with a friend who's ready to start their own online income journey. It really helps the channel and allows us to keep delivering value-packed content to aspiring entrepreneurs like you. So grab a notebook, stay tuned, and get ready to discover the exact steps you need to build a profitable Amazon affiliate business that works for you, even while you sleep. Let's get started. So if you don't know what Amazon affiliate marketing is, let me break it down for you in the simplest way possible. Amazon affiliate marketing, also known as the Amazon Associates Program, is a free program that allows you to earn money by promoting products sold on Amazon. Here's how it works. Once you sign up for the program, you get a unique affiliate link for any product you want to promote. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a small commission without any extra cost to them. You don't need to create your own products, deal with inventory, handle customer service, or even worry about shipping. Amazon takes care of all of that. Your job is just to recommend the right products to the right audience, whether through a blog, a YouTube channel, social media, or even email. It's a perfect side hustle for beginners because it's low risk, doesn't require a big upfront investment, and it works around your schedule. Plus, with millions of products available on Amazon, there's literally something for every niche or interest. Now let's talk about the steps you need to follow to get started and actually make this side hustle profitable. The very first step to starting your Amazon affiliate side hustle is to sign up for the Amazon Associates Program. This is the official affiliate platform from Amazon where you'll get access to your unique affiliate links and track your earnings. It's completely free to join, and the process is pretty straightforward. Just head over to affiliate-program.amazon.com, click on the sign up button, and follow the prompts to create your account. You'll need to provide some basic details like your name, website, or social media channel, how you plan to drive traffic, and your payment information so Amazon knows where to send your commissions. Once your account is approved, you'll be able to search for any product on Amazon, grab your affiliate link, and start promoting. One important thing to note: Amazon gives you 180 days to make at least 3 qualifying sales to keep your account active. So now that your affiliate account is ready, let's move on to step 2. Now that you're signed up for the Amazon Associates Program, it's time to choose a profitable niche, and this step is absolutely crucial to your long-term success. A niche is simply a specific topic or category that you'll focus on. Instead of promoting random products from all over Amazon, you want to pick a niche that is both in demand and something you're genuinely interested in. This helps you create focused, helpful content that actually attracts clicks and earns commissions. Some examples of evergreen, profitable niches include tech gadgets, home and kitchen products, fitness equipment, pet supplies, beauty and skincare, or baby products. But don't just chase what's popular. Think about what people are actively searching for and buying consistently. Use free tools like Google Trends, Amazon's bestsellers, or even YouTube and Pinterest search suggestions to find out what's hot in your chosen niche. Also, make sure your niche has a variety of products with decent price ranges, because higher-priced items usually lead to higher commissions. But don't overlook lower-priced products if they sell in volume. It's all about finding the right balance. Choosing a niche also helps build trust and authority with your audience over time. When people know you specialize in a certain area, they're more likely to take your recommendations seriously and click your links. Once your niche is locked in, it's time to move on to the next step. Step 3. Build your money-making platform. This is where things start to get exciting. Once you've chosen your niche, you need a platform where you can share your affiliate links, attract traffic, and make sales. Think of this as your digital storefront, the place where you'll showcase valuable content, recommend Amazon products, and build trust with your audience. You have a few great options here, so let's break them down. Option A: content website or blog. Starting your own blog or a niche website is one of the most powerful ways to build a long-term affiliate income stream. It's scalable, evergreen, and gives you full control over your content. You can write helpful product reviews, comparison articles, gift guides, and how to posts that rank on Google and drive traffic for months or even years. To get started, I recommend using Hostinger. It's beginner-friendly, super affordable, and offers blazing fast website speeds. You'll get access to free domain registration, one-click WordPress installation, 24/7 customer support, and AI tools to help you build your site faster. It's perfect for affiliate marketers who want a professional-looking site without the hassle. I've added the link to Hostinger in the description. Check it out if you're serious about blogging. Option B, YouTube channel. If you prefer talking instead of writing, or if you enjoy creating visual content, a YouTube channel can be a goldmine for affiliate marketing. Product reviews, unboxings, tutorials, and top 5 videos work incredibly well on YouTube and can bring in massive organic traffic. Worried about being on camera? No problem. You can use HeyGen, an amazing AI tool that lets you create ultra-realistic talking avatar videos without ever showing your face. Just type your script, choose your avatar, and let the tool do the talking. It's perfect for camera-shy creators and is a great way to start earning on YouTube. I've dropped the link for HeyGen in the description too. Option C, Pinterest. Pinterest is an underrated yet insanely powerful platform for affiliate marketing, especially for visual niches like home decor, beauty, fashion, fitness, recipes, and more. You can create eye-catching pins that link directly to your blog posts or YouTube videos with affiliate links embedded. The beauty of Pinterest is that your content has a much longer lifespan compared to social media posts, and it can go viral even months after publishing. With a bit of strategy and design effort, Pinterest can drive thousands of targeted visitors to your affiliate content on autopilot. Choose one platform to start with, focus on mastering it, and then you can expand later. Once your platform is set up, it's time to move on to the next step. Step 4. Create high-quality content. Now that your platform is ready, whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, or Pinterest account, it's time to start creating high-quality content. This is the heart of your Amazon affiliate side hustle. The better your content, the more trust you'll build, the more traffic you'll attract, and the more commissions you'll earn. High-quality content is not just about throwing up random product links. It's about providing value. Think of your audience first. What problems are they trying to solve? What kind of products are they looking for? Your content should answer those questions clearly and help them make informed decisions. If you're running a blog, consider writing detailed product reviews, top 10 lists, how-to guides, and comparison articles. These formats perform really well in search engines and can bring in passive traffic for months or even years. For YouTube, focus on videos like unboxings, tutorials, product demos, and honest reviews. Make your titles and thumbnails catchy, and include your affiliate links in the description. The goal is to inform, not just to sell. On Pinterest, it's all about visuals. Create attractive, scroll-stopping pins that link to your blog posts or videos. Use keyword-rich descriptions and design consistent pin templates to build a recognizable brand. And here's the best part. Creating content in 2025 is easier than ever, thanks to AI tools. You don't need to be a professional writer, editor, or designer. Tools like ChatGPT can help you write articles, scripts, and descriptions in minutes. Platforms like Canva can design stunning Pinterest pins or blog graphics. And tools like HeyGen can generate full videos with voiceovers and avatars, all with just a few clicks. We're living in the era of AI-assisted content creation, which means you don't need to be an expert to get started. You just need to take action. The tools are here, the process is simple, and the opportunity is massive. Step 5. Drive traffic to your content. You've got your content ready, your affiliate links are in place. Now comes the crucial part, getting people to actually see it. No matter how great your content is, it won't earn you commissions unless it's being seen by the right audience. That's where traffic comes in. Let's start with some free traffic methods, which are perfect for beginners. Search engine optimization. If you're running a blog, SEO should be your best friend. By optimizing your content with the right keywords, titles, meta descriptions, and internal links, you can rank on Google and get free organic traffic from people actively searching for what you're promoting. It takes a bit of time, but it's incredibly powerful and long-lasting. For visual content, Pinterest is a traffic goldmine. By creating eye-catching pins and linking them to your content, you can drive thousands of visitors every month. Just focus on clean designs, keyword-rich descriptions, and consistent pinning. Over time, Pinterest can become one of your biggest sources of free traffic. Social media sharing. Don't underestimate the power of sharing your content on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or even niche-specific communities on Reddit or Quora. You can reach a wider audience, get feedback, and attract your first few clicks quickly without spending a dime. Once you've mastered the basics and start seeing some traction, you can explore paid traffic options to scale faster. Google Ads and YouTube Ads are excellent for promoting product-focused content directly to high-intent buyers. You can drive targeted visitors straight to your blog post, YouTube review, or landing page. However, I recommend starting with free methods first and moving to paid ads once you understand what's converting. And here's a bonus tip for long-term growth. Start building an email list. By offering something valuable in exchange for an email, like a free guide, checklist, or product roundup, you can stay connected with your audience and promote affiliate products again and again. Email marketing gives you a direct line to your readers or viewers and helps turn one-time visitors into lifelong followers. With the right mix of free traffic, smart scaling, and email follow-up, you'll be able to grow your affiliate income steadily over time. Now, let's move to the final and most important step. Step 6. Scale your profitable side hustle. Now that you've got everything in place, your affiliate account, a solid niche, a content platform, traffic coming in, and maybe even a few commissions rolling, it's time to focus on scaling your Amazon affiliate side hustle into a consistent, sustainable income stream. Scaling doesn't mean working harder, it means working smarter. The first step to scaling is to double down on what's working. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics, Pinterest Insights, or YouTube Studio to track which content is getting the most traffic, clicks, and conversions. Once you know what your audience responds to, create more of that type of content. Next, start expanding your content strategy. If you're running a blog, branch out into comparison articles, gift guides, seasonal roundups, and product updates. If you're on YouTube, explore new product categories, experiment with shorts, or start building a content series. For Pinterest, develop new pin designs, A/B test headlines, and refresh older content with new visuals. This is also the perfect time to diversify your income. Don't rely solely on Amazon commissions. Consider promoting digital products, online courses, or joining other affiliate networks that offer higher payouts. Many Amazon affiliate marketers eventually add display ads or even launch their own digital products like ebooks, templates, or courses. And if you haven't already, start collecting emails. Build a simple lead magnet and grow your list. Your email list is one of the most powerful assets in online business. It allows you to build trust, deliver value consistently, and promote your affiliate content on demand without relying on algorithms or ads. As your content, traffic, and conversions grow, consider outsourcing. You can hire freelance writers, video editors, designers, or virtual assistants to help you scale faster while you focus on strategy and growth. The truth is, the hardest part is getting started, but once you see your first few affiliate commissions, everything changes. You realize this isn't just a side hustle, it's a real, scalable business. So take what you've learned in these 6 steps and start taking action today. Your Amazon affiliate journey won't be perfect, but with consistency, smart tools, and a little creativity, it can become one of the most rewarding ways to earn online in 2025 and beyond. As you move forward with your Amazon affiliate journey, it's important to understand that your mindset will play a huge role in your success. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a long game. Patience is profitable. For most people, it takes 3 to 6 months or even longer to see consistent income. But those who stay consistent and committed are the ones who eventually break through and start earning real results. The key is to keep showing up, keep creating, and keep improving. Always lead with value. Your goal should be to genuinely help your audience solve problems or make smarter buying decisions. When people trust you, the sales will follow naturally. Don't focus on just pushing links. Focus on building relationships, and your affiliate income will grow as a byproduct of that trust. Also, don't overlook compliance. Amazon has strict rules when it comes to how you use affiliate links, how you disclose them, and where you place them. Ignoring these rules can get your account banned, and that's not something you want after putting in months of effort. Make sure you read and understand Amazon's guidelines and follow them closely. As you create more content, try to focus on evergreen topics, things that stay relevant over time. This allows your blog posts, videos, and pins to keep bringing in traffic and commissions long after they're published. It's one of the most powerful ways to build passive income. And finally, track everything. Use tools to measure what's working: your traffic, clicks, conversions, and revenue. When you know what's performing well, you can double down. When something isn't working, you can tweak and improve. Data-driven decisions will help you grow faster and smarter. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of most people who never take the first step. You now have a clear roadmap to build a profitable Amazon affiliate side hustle, from signing up, choosing your niche, building your platform, creating content, driving traffic, to scaling it over time. Remember, success won't happen overnight, but with the right mindset, tools, and consistency, it will happen. Whether you're doing this to earn a little extra on the side or to eventually replace your 9-to-5, the opportunity is real, and it's wide open for those who take action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment below with your favorite takeaway, and share this with someone who's ready to start their online journey. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel for more practical strategies, tools, and tips to grow your digital income step by step. All the links and resources mentioned are in the description, so make sure to check those out to get started faster. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.